Have you ever wondered what's responsible for the great colour contrast in your smartphone or TV screen? Or how exactly are we going to tackle the global sustainable energy crisis and reduce pollution? Even how to develop new vaccines to target common illnesses or infectious disease? If you've got an aptitude for science and a curiosity about how the world works, a degree in chemistry could help you shape our future world. I'm Dr. Emma Richards, and with me is my colleague, Dr. Andrew Logsdail. In this short video, we're going to give you a quick overview of our courses, including how they're structured and how we teach. We'll also talk a bit about what your options are after undertaking a chemistry degree at Cardiff University. We have 2 degree disciplines, general chemistry and medicinal chemistry. In general chemistry, we offer both a 3-year BSc and a 4-year integrated masters or MChem. Our chemistry degree covers a broad range of topics across the whole remit of chemistry, including catalysis, advanced materials, bioinorganic chemistry, and natural product synthesis. The first thing to mention is that the first 2 years of the BSc and the MChem are the same, which gives you the flexibility to transfer between these schemes right up until the end of year 2, subject to your academic performance.
Both the BSc and MChem programs come with an option to have either a year abroad or a year in industry. And again, you don't have to decide on that at the point of your application. The applications for these year out options take place during year 2. The study abroad option involves working alongside PhD students in a research laboratory. You would work on an academic project and benefit from extensive time to develop your lab skills. You would get to learn from lecturers with different research interests and backgrounds. And of course, studying abroad gives you the opportunity to experience life in a different country and culture. During the year in industry, you would have the opportunity to work for a company, getting paid a salary and learning more about the real-world applications of your studies.
Our 3-year BSc in medicinal chemistry is a smaller cohort and is designed for students that have an interest in biology and organic chemistry, aiming possibly towards careers in the pharmaceutical industry rather than in clinical medical practice. It is a forward-thinking degree course considering the health problems of the future, linking with industry and extending beyond the lab to cover areas such as business, marketing and sustainability. You will find all of the most up-to-date information about our entry requirements on our course pages. You will need to have chemistry and preferably one other science qualification. All our students, regardless of their previous qualifications, undertake a Maths for Chemists module in year 1 to give them the numerical skills they need to interpret chemical processes and experimental data sets.
A typical teaching week includes a combination of lectures, practical laboratories, and smaller group learning. All of our lectures are recorded so that you can watch them back after the live session, and this is incredibly helpful for revision purposes. Small group learning consists of workshops and tutorial sessions led by academic staff. In these sessions, you consolidate your learning with exam-style questions in a non-assessed environment. These sessions also help you to develop a peer support network amongst your fellow students so that you can learn from and support each other. Chemistry is a really hands-on, practical subject. You'll spend a lot of time in our teaching laboratories throughout your degree. Experiments in the first year are designed to align with the theoretical content delivered in lectures. You'll develop general skills in handling chemicals and equipment and extend your knowledge of lab safety requirements. Students often work in pairs during the first semester as they familiarise themselves with the laboratory environment. Practical laboratory sessions are assessed by a combination of in-lab skills registers and written reports. All of our teaching is research-led, meaning that our content is delivered by international experts. Our research expertise influences the optional modules available in the latter years of your programme. There's some incredibly exciting research being undertaken at Cardiff Chemistry. For example, we're looking at ways to make plastic recycling genuinely sustainable. We're exploring modern organic pesticides that don't harm the environment and developing methods to reduce carbon impact of chemical synthesis. There's so much more, but this is just a taste of the expertise you'll benefit from here in Cardiff. All our students get the chance to be involved in this exciting research during their research project in the final year. This will be in an area of chemistry that aligns with your preferred choice and further career aspirations. As examples, this could be in drug design, computational chemistry, sustainable catalysis, or advanced spectroscopy for determining reaction mechanisms. During your research project, you'll get hands-on experience in our research facilities, including in the newly built Translational Research Hub, maybe working with our Net Zero Innovation Institute. We have a dedicated science library here in main building that contains multiple copies of all the core textbooks required in your studies. These are usually available online as well and can be accessed off campus. We have common room spaces for our chemistry students within the department and are extremely fortunate to be based directly opposite the Centre for Student Life, in which there's a range of flexible learning spaces, as well as access to all the university student support services.
So, what do you do with a degree in chemistry? As chemists, you could be at the forefront of tackling some of the world's grand challenges across sustainability, healthcare and technology. Chemistry really is the central science and can open doors to a wide range of exciting future careers. Our graduates work in really diverse sectors. We've got past students working with battery materials for electric vehicles, working in analytical sciences, in the food, pharma and agrochemical industries, and as non-clinical scientists in the health sector. There's really no limit to where a degree in chemistry can take you. As well as expertise in chemistry itself, you'll develop transferable skills that open up sectors like patent law, finance, and the civil service. So if a chemistry or medicinal chemistry degree at Cardiff University seems right for you, why not come to one of our face-to-face open days? These give you the perfect opportunity to see the beautiful surroundings of our capital city and take a closer look at the school facilities. We'd love to meet you and discuss our degree schemes and answer any questions you might have about studying here. You can find more information on our course pages, and we're always happy to answer queries if you want to get in touch directly. Here at Cardiff University, we're using chemistry to create a technologically advanced, healthier and more sustainable future. We put our students at the heart of what we do. I hope you're inspired to join us.